What does education mean to you?
To me, education means opportunity, the chance to learn about new things, to try new things, to go in new directions that you never expected.
Education means finding something you're passionate about and having an opportunity to polish your skills and enjoy doing it for the rest of your life.
The process by which we figure out who we can and should be.
Education is a universal right, where inclusivity and equity take center stage. Pro.Ed was born of the belief that high-quality educational expertise can transform a society for the better. We believe that education is for everyone, not only for the privileged. With these noble objectives, Pro.Ed is dedicated to offering a range of exceptional products that cater to the diverse needs of our clients and meaningful nonprofit initiatives for the community. Our comprehensive services include curriculum development, teacher training and professional development, and educational operations. We offer innovative products such as SCOS, which is a student-centered observation scheme that maximizes classroom performance with an integrated competency framework for teaching. Additionally, we provide EduFlex, an intelligent AI-supported platform designed to optimize school operations and enhance every aspect of the institution. In 2023, Pro.Ed CSR activities offer frequent free-of-charge opportunities for all people to access the latest and most practical educational expertise to promote education equity and a culture of learning in society. The Eduverse PD platform, a freely accessible source of valuable professional development resources for educators worldwide, including Eduverse webinars, newsletters, podcasts, and the Eduverse Facebook group. We have built a global community of over 2,000 educators and followers from over 100 nations around the world in just 6 months, with increasing interest and engagement each passing day. With the aim of expanding professional development opportunities, ELT Camp 2023 achieved a significant milestone by offering free opportunities for educators in Mekong Delta, Vietnam. We attracted an impressive turnout of over 300 participants with overwhelmingly positive feedback. Our global partnerships with nearly 20 influential educational organizations, well known for their status as global leaders in the field, have greatly contributed to our success in 2023. Our first-year journey so far was reaching new heights at the Asia Education Awards ceremony in Bangkok, Thailand, at the end of 2023. Pro.Ed was honored to receive 2 prestigious awards, including Excellence in Educational Consultancy and Innovation in Education for SCOS, a notable product. How will Pro.Ed be in 2024? Pro.Ed eagerly looks ahead to 2024 with exciting plans. We sincerely appreciate the support of our partners and contributors as we strive to provide exceptional value to education, benefiting students, teachers, and institutions worldwide. We are all geared up for 2024.